This is going to be a very sad telecast. It's on the anatomy of melancholy. So I was looking around for something sad to start with. And there came to my mind a story that Lou Holtz told, years and years ago. But it deserves to be retold, and it's a good introduction. It's something very sad. It's about 3 drunks who were on the 30th floor of a New York hotel when the elevator broke down. And they came in about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and the manager said, "I don't want to send you men up to the 30th floor." He said, "The elevator's broken. We have cots here. And we put them in the mezzanine. You can sleep there for the night." The first drunk said, "No, we want to go to our room." The first 10 floors, the first drunk said, "I'll sing." And the second one said, "And for the next 10 floors, I will tell funny stories." And the third one said, "And for the last 10, I will tell sad stories." So up they started. First 10 floors, the first man sang. Next 10 floors, the next man told funny stories. They got to the 20th floor. They said to the third man, "All right, begin your sad stories." He said, "I forgot the key."